हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। कैसे आप सब लोग? वेलकम टू MADVloggers। माय नेम इज़ अमय और आज हम वीडियो बनाएंगे फॉर द अनबॉक्सिंग ऑफ JBL Quantum 400 headsets। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट इट। तो सबसे पहले तो आपको मैं बॉक्स के बाहर का सारा डिज़ाइन दिखा देता हूँ कि बॉक्स किस तरीके से पैक किया हुआ है। इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल बॉक्स एक्चुअली। This is the front side of it. As you can see, the price itself is visible here. That's 149 Singapore dollars. This is the front side of it, and then this is on the side there to listen. Quite cool graphics, I would say. And then on the other side, you can see that it depicts the features of the headset, which has the JBL Quantum surround trademark. All right. And on the back side it gives you a bunch of features that the headset would provide you. It's essentially a gaming headset, but it can be used for certain different applications also, the office applications such as Teams, Microsoft Teams, or Cisco WebEx, so on and so forth. Even for Skype and other things you can use these headsets because it has a built-in microphone. It also comes up with two types of inputs, as you can see here on the box at the bottom. 3.5 mm jack and USB type A cable, as well as this one is also capable of USB type C, so it's enabled for that as well. All right, enough talking on the outside of the box. Let's get inside of the box now. So as you can see from the packaging, this is like a book packaging, I can say. All you have to do is just lift the flap up and this beautiful headset comes out. Okay, on the left side you can see that it's giving you a bunch of information that I'm probably not going to go around and talk about it, but it's just about their Quantum 400 technology and the features that it is talking about. But at the same time, on the other side you have these big beautiful over the ear headsets or headphones that are there. So let's just go ahead and start the unboxing for this box. Okay, so I'm going to be closing the book here, and you see these small tapes that they have packed it with. So let's try and take this out. All right, so I'm just trying to peel the tape off here, and then you can move the box here, flip it open here, and then you can just take the other side out like this. Right, lots of packaging actually, and then there is a tiny little flap here, okay, for you to drag it out of the box. Okay, so pulling this up, as you can see, I'm dragging this out of the box. So let's put the box aside. There's nothing inside, it's all blank. Maybe a picture. Okay. Yep. So now we take the box here. As you can see, this comes up with the headsets and a box. The box probably would contain all the accessories. So let's just look at the headsets first. Beautifully bagged actually. You can see the microphone has been kept in the position with the sticker, and you have this flap to pull the headsets over. So you just have to pull it up actually. So while I was trying to pull it up, I just observed on the back end also they have kind of used these plastic tabs to sort of lock the headphones. So the packaging is pretty strong if you ask me. So you have to take these locks off both the sides. Let me just do that. It's pretty easy to take them off. And now I'm going to be flipping it over. As you can see, I am able to take them out. Ta-da! These look really cool, really great. As you can see, JBL on the top. It's over the ear with the cushion over the ear cups. That's the right and the left. Let's see the controls. So as you can see, it has a USB type C as well as a 3.5 mm jack. So it will support both the type of cables that you are trying to connect from this headphones towards your gaming laptop or your normal official laptop that you want to connect to. Then on the other side, you can see here you have a microphone mute option. That's a hard-coded button. Then you have I believe for volume that you can just slide. This is like a slider, so that's pretty easy and smooth to slide your volume up and down. And then you have another slider which is I'm not sure for what. You'll have to read it up. Maybe something to do with the gaming. Okay, so that's the headphone for you guys. Okay, let's just take a look again. That's how it looks like overall. That's the microphone. Let me just see if the microphone is detachable, because in other headphones I have seen that the microphones are usually detachable, but no, this is hard-coded, this is fixed, and this is how it looks like once you open the microphone. Now, that's how it looks like. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, so let's take a look into the accessories now. So I have got this accessories box with me. Let's see what all things do we have in the box. Okay. Sorry for my mobile skills, but let me just pour out everything that is there inside the box. Oh my god, these are some really good quality cables. As you can see, guys, just take a look into them. They are really sturdy, really strong cables, not gonna be affected for a long time. There is no wear and tear that I see for the coming maybe an year or two if you are going to use them properly. So there are two cables and a guide that you can see here. As the JBL Quantum 400 quick start guide. All right, it comes with the packaging and all, so I'm not going to be looking into this, as you guys can read off. So this is a pretty big, pretty long actually wire that they have provided us. This is from USB-C to USB type connector. Okay, USB-C type and connected to USB port. So you can connect this to your headphones and you can connect the other end to your laptop, and it's plug and play, and you are in business. Okay, the other one, as you can see clearly, is your 3.5 mm jack to 3.5 mm jack on your laptop. So in case if you don't want to use the USB one, you can always have the option of using the 3.5 mm jack. All right, so this is how it is. This is what the unboxing of JBL Quantum 400. The overall cost, as you can see here in the panel itself, is 149 Singapore dollars. So that's how it costs, how much it is costing you. Sound wise, I'm going to be probably giving you an update once I try and use them as to how do they sound like, what's the quality, how is the microphone quality and all that. Stay tuned for that particular video. For now, I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Ciao.